Ekahau Pro is a popular tool for Wi-Fi planning and site surveys. It has many features that make it easy to use and can help you improve your Wi-Fi network. During this session, we will provide a brief demonstration of the process for importing Ekahau floor plans into CVQ. For quick AP provisioning through Ekahau floor plans in CVQ, here's a step-by-step guide. Begin by logging into CVQ and selecting your preferred location. Note down the AP name and its MAC address. Next, create Ekahau tags using the format MAC:MAC address. Save your project to the cloud for accessibility. Access Ekahau within CVQ by logging in. Find the designated folder and import your Ekahau floor plan into CVQ. This will streamline the provisioning process for your APs seamlessly. On the Ekahau side, users can configure either the name or tag format to include the MAC address of the AP or both. After importing the Ekahau project on the Arista side, users can select either the MAC address or AP name under the AP mapping section. Here's the detailed Ekahau Arista CVQ AP mapping matrix. Please take a moment to review the results. Refer to the matrix to understand the expected outcomes for each scenario. Let's see each step in a demo. Initially, record the name and MAC address of each AP. This can also be conveniently accomplished by exporting the access point inventory. Your Wi-Fi surveyed APs will show up in the floor plan. Now, edit the access point and add tags with MAC:MAC address format. Note the name field. We intentionally set the name to TME1. Whereas in CVQ, the AP name is TME1C330. We will demonstrate how to dynamically change this AP name to match the one configured in CVQ. The tag format should be MAC:MAC address of the AP. Let's edit location to access point and add tag as MAC:MAC address of the AP. As we observe, the tags in Ekahau Cloud correspond to the access point names and MAC addresses in Arista CVQ. Apply the same tag format to the remaining access points on the floor and save the project. Crucially, the tag format must be pre-configured in the project for all APs prior to uploading to CVQ. Omitting this step will prevent the APs from being properly imported into CVQ. To begin, log into CVQ and navigate to the Floor Plan section. Click on the Add Floor Plan button, and you'll be presented with two options. Select the second option, Import Floor Plan. This option will import floor plan from Ekahau Cloud. Provide your Ekahau Cloud credentials to log in and proceed with the import process. After selecting your Ekahau project, choose the appropriate AP mapping. In our scenario, we mapped both AP name and MAC address in the Ekahau floor plan. However, we intentionally left AP1's name different from what's configured in CVQ. To proceed, select the AP name and click the Save button to import the floor plan. The floor plan import was successful. As expected, all access points except AP1 were automatically mapped correctly in the floor plan. Automatic mapping will be successful even if these APs are positioned in the staging area. In our scenario, AP1's name differs from the CVQ name, but the MAC address mapping is correct. To manually assign AP1, right-click on it and select Assign AP. This will add AP1 to the floor plan. Administrators can log out of their Ekahau Cloud accounts by navigating to System, Third-Party Server, and Floor Plan Integration. As observed, all APs are successfully imported from the Ekahau project directly into CVQ, enabling instant provisioning of access points. I hope this session is informative to you and I thank you for watching.